Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my another learning video or my another analysis video for this month for August series. So last month, likewise, I had shared 5 stocks that I expected that it will give some good returns. So likewise, those stocks did well. Few stocks didn't perform well, Bharti Airtel. It definitely its stop loss didn't its stop loss, but it didn't give a huge money. So but it did hit my stop loss because positionally I was holding for a bigger target in Airtel, and it hit my stop loss. Other than that, other stocks like M&M, Siemens, and other stocks did perform really well. The stop loss amount that I gave in Airtel, more than double of that was made in these stocks, right? So let's see for this month. I have 5 stocks for this month also. For positional, this is not intraday basis, but somewhere or the other you can also if you keep these stocks in your watch list, then you can also make some money on intraday basis also, because these are breakout trades. Some are like, so whenever breakout happens, so on intraday basis also you can make some good money if you are watching it regularly, if you have kept it on your watch list and then you are trading with it, right? So let's see. So before that, if you are someone new to my channel or new to this video, then definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, so that it will be notified to you and you won't miss any of the new updates from my side, right? So let's begin for this month. So the first stock that I had selected is Grasim. Okay, I guess Grasim was again in my last month's video also. Grasim, I gave this level somewhere here, I guess, I don't remember, but Grasim made a weak upside. It gave a breakout, but then it didn't perform. It returned from there, right? So but this month Grasim, after that effect, Grasim is now trying to perform well. If you see, Grasim is now trading in a range in this rectangle pattern. Okay, so if you see Grasim, it went up and then it is continuously trying to be in this pattern. So I am expecting Grasim to give a breakout now, because now you can see Grasim from here, it has took some good support. Okay, so from here it can spend 3 to 4 days and then it can give a breakout. So keep this in your watch list. I will also keeping this in my watch list. So Grasim, as shared, the upside potential in Grasim is really well, and that's the reason I am continuously keeping this in my watch list. Okay, upside level you can see 700 levels of 700s, right? So now we are trading at near 630, 633. So above 650. Okay, listen this carefully. Above 650, you can buy Grasim for positionally above 650. Above 650 means it has to close above 650, right, on closing basis, because this is a positional trade, this is not a intraday trade. So there is a difference between positional trade and intraday trade, right? So it has to close above 650, and once it is closed, so then you can take a positional trade in Grasim. So you can buy at around like 650 on closing basis and keep a stop loss of 25 points, let's say, and you can expect a risk reward of 1:2, because upside potential I can see 700. Near 700 it might halt. After that it can move anywhere, right? So we can expect 700 in Grasim. So but wait for this breakout, wait for 650 level for on closing basis. So keep this in your watch list. So Grasim can give some good money. The volumes are also good. So pattern is also good, rectangle pattern, consolidation, that is, I can see accumulation in Grasim, and then it can give a breakout now. Okay, so the next stock is Titan. Titan, I had shared this stock in my weekly analysis video also. So if you remember, then let me just share this thing. So on weekly analysis, what we analyzed Titan near here. What I said, above this level we can buy Titan above this level, but if you see, the level was broken but it didn't sustain, it made it weak. And here actually our stop loss was hit. We gave a stop loss of 10 points, but doesn't matter, because if you see, we had really caught this movement, right? If you have been with me continuously watching my videos, then we had caught this huge movement. So this is some money, like from 1000 level to made a high of 1085 somewhere around. So we did made a huge money. So comparatively 10 point stop loss is not a huge stop loss, right? So here now again I can see a buying opportunity in Titan. In Titan analysis, what I said, if it didn't sustain above this level, right, so then there are high chances that Titan will consolidate in this area. Just remember my words. I said if Titan didn't sustain and give a moves upside continuously, then it will consolidate in this area, right? So likewise Titan is spending time over here now. So what can be done in Titan now? Simple analysis. I am not sharing any hardcore. Now you can see that Titan gave a breakout. Now it is consolidating at this area. So now one can expect another breakout in Titan. So I am expecting another breakout in Titan, but you should keep your levels must. So these are the levels. So I am not sharing any levels, but I am showing you the analysis. So draw these patterns on your charts. It is very simple. Just take this trend line tool, line, or take a line and then just draw a line like this, anything, like you can, it is a very simple to draw a line. So draw these patterns on your charts. So this is how you can learn analysis. So this is how you can do your analysis on your own. This is how you can identify your levels also, right? So Titan, expect a breakout in coming few sessions, one or two session, right? Let's say if this level is crossed, which is 1065 around, so I am expecting a good breakout in Titan also. Upside level, we can see, expect around 1130 or 1160 levels also. So there is almost a potential of more than 100 points in Titan. So that's the reason I have selected Titan for this August series, right? So till now I shared analysis of two stocks, that is Grasim and Titan. So keep this in your watch list. Okay, so the next stock is Siemens. Siemens, again it was in our watch list, and Siemens did perform well. Siemens gave around 60 to 80 points profit after breakout. So Siemens did perform well. So now there is another chance in Siemens. So now people can think why the stocks are repeating, like Grasim is also repetitive, Siemens is also now repetitive. Does that even matter to us, right? Making money is important. Repetitive stocks, we will even trade every day in same stocks, but what matters is we have to make money. Another logic is, do you not trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty every day? We do trade, right? So some people may think like this, and that they get bored while trading in same stock. But remember, tracking few stocks is very important. You should be tracking it properly, right? So it is not important, like necessary to track 100 stocks every day, tracking 50 stocks every day. Track at least 5 stocks, but track it regularly, and that's what important in stock market, right? So now we can see another opportunity in Siemens. You can see the pattern. I had already drawn this pattern, right? So here Siemens took support, and then again it went upside, and now it is taking a good support. I am saying a good support, right? So this level is very good level for a buying area. So on Monday itself you can buy above 1160 or 1165 also, with a stop loss of around 30 to 35 points you have to keep a stop loss, and your risk reward can be 1:2. But remember, at least you will get this level, that is 1210, nearby above 1200 level. You will at least you will see that, right? Because upside level, upside trend line, it will at least test this level, but I am not expecting it to just test, I am expecting it to break, right? So Siemens can give you a huge profit, and upside level you can see, as I had drawn, Siemens has a good potential. Your first target in Siemens can be this area, which is 1244 level, if Siemens gives breakout, and then it can also go till 1300 level also, right? So let's see how Siemens performs. But on Monday there can be definitely buying in Siemens. I see a good buying opportunity in Siemens, so I will take my positions accordingly in Siemens on Monday itself. I am saying it right away now only, with a stop loss of around I will keep a stop loss of around 35 to 40 rupees, because my according to my risk reward I will take trades in Siemens. Okay, so Siemens I see good potential. So this is the third stock, and then fourth stock of the month is Balkrishna Industry. Okay, Balkrishna Industry, you can see good volume. It is now trading at 52 weeks high, and it has okay, let me just share this with you. Okay, if you see Balkrishna Industry, you can see this level, right? Now this is again it is in a rectangle pattern type. Rectangle pattern, why I am saying that it is trading in this range? If you see, it went upside and then consolidation happened, and now it has went upside. So now what is possibility that Monday it can give a breakout once, or it can spend some time over here. Okay, its spending time level would be, let me just tell you, give you the level also. If at all Balkrishna Industry wants to spend time and break upside, then it should not fall below, let's say 1280, 1280, which is 50 points. I am giving 50 points range to Balkrishna Industry if it is not giving a breakout, unless okay, if it is in this range, above this range, then well and good, we can accumulate at this level. Okay, let me just show you. We can accumulate at this level Balkrishna Industry if it is not giving a breakout. If it is a giving breakout, then we can definitely buy here, and then it can take a support over this upper line, and then it can move upside, because this will act as a resistance. But if it tries to be in this range again, then it should not break 1280. So if at all it comes near this range, then I will definitely try to buy between in this range, right? So this is Balkrishna Industry, and target for Balkrishna Industry is open target, because it is trading at 52 weeks high. So nobody actually can judge till where Balkrishna Industry can go. Sorry, it is not trading at 52 weeks high, actually mistaken. Okay, so yeah, monthly candle is looking good. Let me just check it out. Yeah, monthly candle is also positive in Balkrishna Industry. So if at all it gives a breakout at this level, right, so we can expect Balkrishna Industry to break this high, and it can make a 52 week high. So upper level is 1065 or 10, just a second. Okay, keep it 1450, right? So if at all it gives a breakout, then definitely Balkrishna Industry can cross 1450 also. Remember the word, it can cross. I am not saying it will cross, but it can cross. So keep this in your watch list. It is really looking very bullish on monthly basis. So let's see how Balkrishna Industry performs in coming month. So I am taking a bullish view on Balkrishna Industry. And next is Cipla, a pharma sector stock, right? Pharma sectors are doing good. So let's check Cipla also. So before my analysis, this is a naked chart I am keeping in front of you. Now you try to analyze this chart. What do you see in this chart? Do you see any pattern? Do you see anything? Just pause this video and then go back to your chart and try to analyze this stock, and then come back and then check my analysis and see if your analysis and my analysis are matched. If that is matched, then do let me know in comment section or do message me personally. I would definitely appreciate your analysis effort. Okay, so let's see Cipla. What do you see in Cipla? Okay, let me just show you what do I see in Cipla. This is a downside range that I can see, and upside range that I can see is this. Okay, now say what do you see in Cipla? Let me just make this a smaller one. Okay, now what do you see in Cipla? A simple parallel channel. It is trading in a range in a parallel channel, right? It didn't break the channel anywhere, but this month, remember my words, it will break this channel, and that too I am expecting it to break upside and not downside. Okay, if you also see another thing, then you can also see a flag and pole type also. This can be your pole, but flag is bigger than the pole. Okay, so there are different types of pattern that can be seen, but you need to identify these patterns in a simpler way, right? This is a simple pattern, a parallel channel. Cipla is trading in a channel. Now it can, on Monday it can go make a high here somewhere around upside trend line, and then I am expecting it to give a breakout. So how it performs and all, we will wait and watch. I will definitely keep this in my watch list. Okay, so whenever you're taking any trade, don't jump in, trade as per your risk. I have shared only my analysis. Okay, you have to add your own analysis also before taking any trade, and then you can plan to take any trade. Okay, and if at all you are someone new who cannot take a trade, who cannot analyze on your own and all, then you can definitely join my premium channel. Okay, and my premium channel, I am not charging anything. My charge is 100% free, but you know, in this world there is nothing for free, but in return you have to open an account under me in Asta Trade, because we have partnered with Asta Trade, and you have to trade in that with that broker, right? Asta Trade. Even I trade in Asta. So if at all you are interested to trade with me, if at all you are interested to trade on level based, on my premium channel I do share levels, like buy about this level with a stop loss and with a target. I do share it with them. So if at all you are interested and you want to trade with me, then you can definitely ping me on WhatsApp or ping me on Telegram. Okay, I will share with you my referral link, or even I have provided my referral link in my description. So you can open the account through my referral link and you can send the client code to me, and then I will add you in my premium channel. Okay, so that's it for the day. This was my 5 stocks analysis for August series. So I hope this video will help you all to make some bucks. This video will help you to make some money. So I hope let's see how profitable trading do we make in August series. So guys, that's it for the day. Have a profitable month ahead. Thank you for watching.